Finally, reality reviews channel videos are getting improved. I just ordered GoPro Hero 10. I'm gonna unbox this in this video and I'm gonna talk more about it in upcoming videos. So let's unbox this products. I brought this from Amazon for 27,000. In case if you wanna buy this product, the link is in the description. Let's get started. So this is Hero 10. So this is how the front label looks like. This comes with 23 megapixel of camera, resolution up to 5.360 frame and 4K at 120 frame per second, and it can go up to 33 feet 10 meters, and GP2 processor is used. This is the logo of this product. In order to make sure the product is genuine, GoPro India official product includes 24 months warranty. So this comes with 24 months warranty. 1 year includes international warranty. So this is the accessories what you see in the product. This is how the back side the box looks like. You need to download this. We're gonna talk later. This is what the features in that. So let's unbox this. So first what you get is the pamphlets, stickers, and as well as how to mount the gas. We'll keep this aside. And second thing what you get is the charger cable. So you need to use your USB dot to charge. This is type C. And one battery. It's a normal battery, not the endorsed battery. It is normal battery. This one we get it. This is actually used to mount on tripod, gas, like helmet, etc. Keep it aside. This is the screw in order to mount, and this is the in order to stick and mount in the car, helmet, etc. We'll keep this aside. Finally, here comes the new GoPro Hero 10. This is front and this is back. The last sticker. So finally, here is the new GoPro Hero 10. Here is the power button, and here's in case if you want to charge the phone, charge this, or if you're using an external mic, this is the spot. This is the back camera. There is one more small logo here, and here is the battery slot and also memory card. You just need to pull, and here what you get is in order to mount the GoPro in the tripod or nor helmet in any gear. So I think this is how it goes like this. Yes. And here's the power on and off button. There's a small mic here. This is the mic, inbuilt mic, and logo inbuilt mic is also here. And this is the lens. You can remove this lens as well in case if you want to replace the lens. Here there's one branding here and there's other branding here, and that's it. So we're gonna put the battery and we're gonna turn this on. So this is the battery slot. So this is the battery what you get with GoPro Hero 10, and I'm gonna place this battery inside. So if you see, if in case if you wanna remove the battery, you can also remove the battery from here, and there's a charging slot as well. Battery is placed. Let me turn on. So it shows Hero 10 black, so which is 10 black, and at the behind it is asking for which language. I'm gonna choose English. The touch is pretty much smooth, and I'm gonna choose English. So it is asking to accept the terms and condition. I'm gonna click accept. It is asking permission to like allow for the location. I'm gonna give OK. And now it's time for the upgrade. You need to upgrade before using this camera. So what you need to do is you need to install GoPro Quick app on your phone and finish the installation. I'll finish this installation because I'm recording it from my phone. So I'll finish it and I'll come back. Finally, the setup is completed, and this is how the video product look like. If you see here, the clarity is good. I think it's wide angle. And this is how the front side. This is how the product. So it's pretty handy and it is good. I'll make a detailed video of this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you on the other side. Take care. Bye.